Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Friends, I am Nando and welcome back to my Annapoorni Food Express. Friends, today I brought for you a different type of Nimki recipe. Yes friends, you all know that it is a very special recipe for evening snacks. Today I made this recipe very easily with less times and less ingredients. Also you can see that it's so crispy. Also you can see that the size is different from the regular Nimki. So today I show you how you can make this recipe very easily at your home. So if you like this video, please share this video to your family and your friends. Also comments me if you like this video because your comments is inspire us. So let's go and see how you can make this recipe. For making the recipe you need two items. One is salt according to your taste and one is 100 grams of rice flour. Now I will take a pot and give 100 ml of water into it and give the salt into it. After that I will boil it little more. When the water become boiled, you can see you have to keep the flame medium and give the rice flour little and stir it with a spatula like this. You can see don't give all the rice flour at a time. You have to give little more and mix it with the hot water with rice flour like this. That means you have to boil the rice flour with the water very nicely. You can see it boiled very nicely. I show you. You can see our rice flour boiled very nicely. You have to boil it like this. Also you can see I can make this like a roti dough. You can see it become a roti dough. Now I will cool it down little more. After cooled it very nicely, now I will remove all the dough from the pot and roll it again with my hand with some rice flour. You have to make it like a dough. You know how to make the roti dough. You have to make this like a roti dough. Also I will use some rice flour for make a smooth dough. You can see I rolled it with my hand very nicely. Now I will separate the dough from this big dough. You can see I made here 3 pieces of dough with the roti dough. After that now I will roll it down very nicely. You have to roll it very thin, otherwise it will be not crispy. Friends, you can see I roll it one roti very nicely and very thin. You can see my finger very nicely from the other side of the roti. Like this you have to roll it. Now I will fold it little more. You can see how to fold it one side and press the side of the roti like this. You have to press it. After press it very nicely, now I will cut it with a bowl very nicely. If you want you can cut it with a glass also. You can see it looks very nice and shape very beautiful. Like this you have to cut it. After cut it, now I will clean the excess part and fold it again and press the outer part of the roti like this. Then I will cut it down like previous one. You can see you have to cut it like this and make a Nimki shape. You can see our all Nimki shaped very nicely. Like this I will make all the Nimki. Now I will fry it. For this I will take a kadai and hot some oil. After that I will give all the Nimki one by one. You have to hot the water very nicely and keep the flame high, otherwise the Nimki will not be fluffy. You can see after giving the all Nimki it will be become fluffy immediately. So when it will become fluffy you have to keep the flame medium and fry it from the both side. When it will be fried from the both side very nicely, you have to keep the flame low and make it crispy and fry it for 1 minute more. After make it crispy, you can see our all Nimki fried very nicely. Now I will put it down on a plate and fried rest of the Nimki. So friends, our today's recipe evening snacks Nimki is ready to serve. You can see it looks so delicious. Also, you can make this recipe at your home very easily with less times. If you like this video, please share this video to your family and your friends. Thank you.